Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see blocked people on Instagram PC. We start by entering our Instagram profile. Next, click on the options icon, and then the settings and privacy option. Here we click on Send and manage the accounts you've blocked within the Blocked Accounts section. Finally, we can see the people we have blocked, and if we want, we can unblock them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.